Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to transform percentage to decimals and percentage to decimals. Okay, something's pop out on my screen. Okay, so now let's start. So to transform percentage to decimal, we're just going to move uh, from right to left twice, maybe two times. So we're just going to move here 1 and 2. So that's it. So ang answer dito will become 0.75. So kung di nyo na-gets, I still have more problems here. So always lang tayo magpupunta sa from right to left. Pag mag-transfer tayo ng percent. Okay, so yan, isa dalawa, 1.46. See? So yan. Oh no, don't put the percentage there. So yan, dalawa, 0.67. Yan, isa, dalawa. So this will become 0.15, 0.15 sa decimal form, yung percentage na yan. And then, isa pa, 1 and 2. So we got 0.08. So that is the pattern. So dito naman, tignan lang natin yung decimal point and then move it from right to left. So 0.042. Next, ito naman, nasa baba, 0.26. Just move from right to left twice. So that 0.0056 was our answer. And next, for the next one, we just keep moving there. There you go. So 14 ang sagot yan. So notice na hindi siya naging decimal, which is whole number. So let's go to next lesson. So now we are here on the next lesson. So dito naman is baliktad. We're going to left to right twice. So babalik lang natin siya. So lalagyan natin ng percentage sign. So there you go. So there will be 37%. And then sa baba, we're just going to move from left to right. Move lang natin yung decimal point. There you go. So 4% is the answer here. And then for number 3, same thing. 2% lang. So we got 28%. So now for our last problem, we're just going to move it. So we have 46.5%. So there you have it. That's the easiest way on how to transform decimal to percentage and percentage to decimal. Thank you for watching.